Alright, y'all, we are headed in to make, actually we're not making breakfast now, we're going to the gym right now. So, biceps and triceps today. Let's kill it. Alright, so we just finished doing arms. We stopped at a coffee shop here because Crystal had a client call. Got us a coffee, and then the client rescheduled. So, but we got a coffee out of the deal. Plus, I got a new shirt too. Boom, check it out. Always get a new workout shirt. Alright, y'all, what's going on? We're sitting outside Whole Foods right now. We're about to get some electrolyte powder. But I want to take a quick moment and just kind of like talk about what's next. Like, the competition's over with. Deeper States launched. What happens next in the grand scheme of things? So what happens next for you post-competition?
Life's just crazy. I really want to focus on my clients, focus on the keto brick, making sure that that's up and going, and making sure that everyone is able to get one and we can make that really successful. As far as the workouts and stuff go, I mean, I'm just going to be trying to work on different areas that I noticed in myself that I'd like to improve upon. I'm going to be slowly reverse dieting back to a sustainable calorie level for building, and just maintaining that over the next little while until I decide to do another show.
It's kind of funny. You don't realize how noisy the world is until you start recording something. People are freaking noisy.
It's really noisy.
Like motorcycles, shopping carts, wind noise, craziness. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna really focus on Keto Brick. We've been making more of those this week. Hot rods.
Seriously loud.
We're gonna be making more of those this week. We're both gonna take some time off between now and our next competition, because as natural competitors, you need to kind of like allow your body to have the time it needs to put on muscle. You spend so much time at a caloric deficit dieting down, so you need more time to build muscle. So that's what we're gonna do there. But we wanna like stay fit, stay active, and kind of find like little mini goals, so to speak, to work towards. We thought about doing like the Spartan races, like the ruck runs, the go ruck runs rather. Just kind of like looking into some of that thing, so we might jump into one of those.
Just staying really active, trying out different things, having fun with it, and making new little goals for ourselves.
And having like a productive off season, so that next time we step on stage, we look bigger and better than before.
Yeah, I don't want to do any like little cuts and stuff. Right now Robert's doing the DSK cut. That's not something that I'm gonna be looking into doing. I want to build, I want to get better, I want to be a really good athlete in all ways.
In all ways?
In all ways.
In all ways. Got you. So yeah, that's kind of like our plan now. We're pumping out the daily content still, so excited about that. just gonna keep building and growing and getting better on all aspects of life, whether it be fitness, nutrition, business, content for y'all. Let us know let us know of anything that you want to see in the future, and we'll try our best to accommodate you.
Yeah,
We're just excited about life, you know.
Yeah, lots of
things.
Lots of stuff happening.
We got the conferences coming up: KetoCon, Low Carb Cruise, Low Carb USA.
We have to plan a wedding.
Yeah, that's in the mix now. So lots of stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff that we ain't even talked about yet, but there's some big things, big things coming in the near future as well. So get ready for that. Stay tuned. And as always, thank y'all for the support and love. And we truly appreciate it. Like we've been saying
really
that at the end of all these videos, but we've just been reading all these comments and everything, and like it just really resonates.
And like
how wonderful y'all are.
Yeah, we get to talk about it all the time how awesome you guys are and how much like you are. Like Robert always says, you're our oxygen, and you really are. Like we appreciate you guys and we love you guys, and you're our everything. You know.
It's kind of crazy. Like the positivity that we get from y'all is literally what motivates us to work on a day-to-day basis. Like that is like the driving factor. Like the emails, the calls, the messages of, oh wow, I was about to do this, but then I did it because I was inspired by something y'all said or something y'all did, or just like the community aspect as a whole. Like it's freaking awesome. We love y'all, appreciate it, and we're excited to keep grinding it out with y'all. That said, we'll catch y'all tomorrow. We'll be making bricks tomorrow, so get ready for that episode.